Yellow neck gaiter, face masks, balaclavas, and flannel for the colder weather. Yellow fleece. Leather riding jacket. I'm going to pretend this is yellow. Yellow grips. Yellow cable management. Yellow nail polish decal. Nail polish painted yellow top cap. Yellow tires. Yellow valve stem caps. Yellow winter helmet. Yellow pedals. Yellow straps for the battery. Almost yellow stitching on the seat because they fucked it up. Yellow gloves for the summer. Yellow gloves for the winter. Yellow rain suit for if I'm ever stuck in the rain. Yellow air compressor. Yellow meat bag. Yellow locks and cable. Yellow eye protection, both of them. Yellow fucking gauge on my pump. Yellow hat, meat hat. Why? Why all the yellow? What's the deal? What's the obsession? It's because when I first decided to buy this awesome bike, I was inspired by the original one-of-one design concept that had goldish yellow rims, and it was basically chrome, black, and yellow. And then I learned also that the design concept for the lettering and the company logo was inspired by, road paint signs on the road. That bright yellow, orangey, almost orangey yellow taxi cab yellow paint that you see on the road, black and yellow. And so that pretty much explains it. I also used to have an adjustable kickstand that came with the bike, and I had painted the button yellow, but since that was a piece of shit, I got rid of it. I also have yellow zip ties like that, but I don't really like them too much, so I'm probably not going to use them anymore. If you like what you see, you can find the links to everything here on JohnnyPrimeSteaks.com. Just do a search for e-bike accessories.